Confirmed victory for a Republican in a safe Democrat district.
Manual recording will now start.
The erasure. This is the great erasure of the Latino vote. They're saying Cubans aren't Latinos now.
No, they're not.
A lot of these woke people are like,
that's
they're not
amazing
Latinos.
to me. That's shocking to me.
Manual.
For sure, one, if you're a Democrat and you're saying Joe Biden win, get over it, then you should welcome any and all challenge. So once and for all, finally, ballots that come in. I think extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. So I think if the claim is made,
effective recording time of about 72 seconds. It would look a lot like this during normal operation. But that didn't stop progress. At first, attempts were made.
Manual recording will now start.
One such system.
Oops. The tracks turned merciless. Although to their credit, I feel like they handled the loop-de-loop highways.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Pretty.
Manual.
Oh, that sucks.
Manual recording will now start. Manual recording will now start. Manual recording will now start.
Gary really started to hope that there was something out there, that there could be an advanced alien civilization randomly changes partway through my videos. It's because I set the lights in stupid places and then they're able to...
No, whenever they say, our town voted for this president, the president wins. Now, they're not choosing the president, it's just that they tend to be in alignment with kind of...
Manual recording
Nice
will now start.
going.
Like 80+% got it wrong. Everyone's kind of like, that's strange. I don't know if that's going to happen. But it does feel like the pieces are at least being lined up, whether, on purpose or otherwise. And it's a recipe.
See if you can manipulate.
I guess we'll just wait and see.
Really?
I hope you're all
Manual recording will now start.
Down! 30 rounds has got to put their fucking heads down. I can imagine the saw gunner now. Guys, I have to stop. I fired 6 rounds.
As their top destination. Trump's database of email and cell phone contacts would be a huge head start. Trump's
Wait, can you see the car?
However, I haven't been drunk or high or needing medication while in the desert or a really isolated farm somewhere, so that's probably lowered my odds. These people tend to have the best luck with UFO sightings.
Fucking deer. God fucking damn it.
Helios 2 is the exclusive games. This isn't what comes to mind. It could be because consoles have a certification process where a game needs to meet certain standards. And there's
Manual recording will now start. Manual.
I'm primarily an AR guy with a ton of 5.56. 5.56 AK is no joke. 5.56 is a great cartridge, so kind of a why not situation. Pre-band one will run you about 3,000. You can build one now for probably 1,500, I think.
I think there
is copying Castlevania 2, mixed in with the experience system of later Castlevanias. We have a free roaming world, villages to visit.
Oh, that was a nice.
That's why I'm like, give us the best of both worlds. Unlikely to happen. With Joe Biden taking the reins again, the establishment is back in control. Expect more.
Them don't matter. Nothing matters. The game's